Good evening. I'm Amy Vickery, the Public Information Officer for Stanislaus County, here with your COVID-19 community update. Bad news this evening. We heard today of 3 additional deaths related to the COVID-19 public health crisis in our community. This is the largest single-day death toll we have had to report, and it's very tragic for our community. All 3 of these deaths came from the outbreak we recently heard about from the Turlock Nursing and Rehabilitation Center. Our hearts go out to these families and the individuals affected. Our total number of COVID-19 deaths is now 10. We are also reporting 324 positive cases, 4,798 negatives, and 224 recovered individuals. The new outbreak in Turlock just illustrates for all of us how quickly cases spread when people are spending time together in close quarters. So please continue to social distance, wear your face coverings when you're out in the community, and when you do leave home, please only go out with individuals from your household. Another update for you tonight. As we work to remain relevant to our community and continue to provide important information and serve as a resource that's useful, we're changing things up this week for our Wednesday night Facebook Live broadcast. Traditionally, our panel includes Dr. V, our Public Health Officer, Sheriff Jeff Dirksey, and a 3rd rotating panelist, which is decided upon based on questions and concerns from our community. Well, we've heard you loud and clear and seen a lot of questions about education. And as a mother, I can relate to your anxiety about how to navigate this new world in relation to the needs of our kids. We want to make sure that students and teaching staff remain healthy, but we also want to make sure our kids are receiving the best possible education they can get. So today in his news briefing, Governor Newsom announced that as we continue distance learning, there are concerns about learning loss, and now leaders are considering an earlier start to the fall year, possibly as early as July. Surely more information will come forward on that, and we will let you know what we hear. So for tomorrow, our panel includes Scott Kuykendall, Superintendent of Schools for Stanislaus County Office of Education, Superintendent Sarah Noguchi, who is with Modesto City Schools, and again, Kristen Olson, our Stanislaus County Board of Supervisors Chairwoman. Our 2 superintendents on the panel will answer questions related to distance learning, grading, closing out the school year, questions on fall enrollment, and of course, next coming school year. Supervisor Olson will be joining us to cover any questions you have in general about the county's response to the public health crisis. So please send in your questions and we will try to tackle them tomorrow evening right here at 5:30. Until then, take care of yourselves and your families. Good night.